guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've got something to show you today and it's a surprise. So I've got something like this today. Oh my god. So I've got this from my from Amazon. So this is from one of my colleague and he has gifted me this. So it's a gift and I'll just reveal what this is in another 5 minutes. So just wait and watch. Okay, so now let's open the package. So it's very premium the way they've packed it. So when I'm trying to open the box, I can see um, I think I've got still more things inside. I've got the bill and I've got the name of the company. So I'll just keep it inside the box now and open the final product. Okay. So as you can see, this is the crown of the MT-15, guys. So the product is very premium. It looks nice. The color tone is good. It's kind of matte black kind of color. So now I've got my tools over there. So I'm opening the tools to fit that the crown in the bike. So as you can see, I'm opening the tools. So I want the appropriate screw to which can fix it. So that's it. It's, I think, the number 4 screw which is gonna fit. Okay. So I just have to attach that in the tool and then it's good to go. So yeah, that's it. There it is. It's working. So now I have to remove the screws from the bike. So there are 4 screws that needs to be removed when we attach that crown in the bike there. So gently we'll remove all the 4 screws. I've already removed the 3 and I'm just showing you the 4th screw that I'm removing now. Okay, so that's 1 2 3 4. So once all the screws were removed, I just kept the crown over there uh, in the exact place where the holes are and just tried to not tightening it too much, just slightly tightening them so that it stays in position. So that's, I'm just tightening all the screws quickly and yeah, as you can see there, I'm just tightening them slightly so that it doesn't move and misplace. So that's how it is. So you just watch that as I just tighten them, and yeah, it's one. Okay, so it's still loose over there, so I'm just tightening that portion there. So the last screw and we're done. So it's all done now. You can enjoy the cinematics after I just finish with the screw.